Hey there! Are you ready to learn the most useful kitchen words in English? In just a few minutes, you'll know all the important things you see in the kitchen, fast and easy. Let's get started! Dishes. Plate. Plate. I put my food on the plate. Bowl. Bowl. I eat soup from a bowl. Cup. Cup. I drink tea from a cup. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Mug. Mug. This is my favorite coffee mug. Glass. Glass. I pour water into a glass. Pitcher. Pitcher. The pitcher is full of juice. Jar. Jar. There are cookies in the jar. Container. Container. I keep berries in a container. Saucer. Saucer. I place the cup on the saucer. Thermos. Thermos. My coffee stays hot in the thermos. Cutlery. Spoon. Spoon. I stir my tea with a spoon. Fork. Fork. I eat salad with a fork. Knife. Knife. I cut bread with a knife. Ladle. Ladle. I use a ladle to serve soup. Spatula. Spatula. I flip pancakes with a spatula. Tongs. Tongs. I grab hot food with tongs. Whisk. Whisk. I whisk eggs for breakfast. Peeler. Peeler. I peel vegetables with a peeler. Grater. Grater. I grate cheese with a grater. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. I roll dough with a rolling pin. Cooking tools. Cutting board. Cutting board. I chop vegetables on a cutting board. Colander. Colander. I drain pasta in a colander. Sieve. Sieve. I sift flour with a sieve. Baking tray. Baking tray. I bake cookies on a baking tray. Baking dish. Baking dish. I make lasagna in a baking dish. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. I measure milk with a measuring cup. Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. I add sugar with a measuring spoon. Can opener. Can opener. I open cans with a can opener. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. I open bottles with a bottle opener. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. I open wine with a corkscrew. Kitchen appliances. Stove. Stove. I cook dinner on the stove. Oven. Oven. I bake bread in the oven. Microwave. Microwave. I heat soup in the microwave. Blenders. Blenders. I make smoothies with the blender. Mixer. Mixer. I mix cake batter with a mixer. Toaster. Toaster. I toast bread in the toaster. Teapot. Teapot. I make tea in the teapot. Kettle. Kettle. I boil water in the kettle. Food processor. Food processor. I chop vegetables in the food processor. Wok. Wok. I cook vegetables in a wok. Cleaning supplies. Dish rack. Dish rack. I dry dishes on the dish rack. Trash can. Trash can. I throw garbage in the trash can. Dish soap. Dish soap. I wash dishes with dish soap. Sponge. Sponge. I scrub plates with a sponge. Scrubber. Scrubber. I clean pots with a scrubber. Kitchen towel. Kitchen towel. I dry my hands with a kitchen towel. Napkin. Napkin. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. Apron. Apron. I wear an apron when I cook. Oven mitt. Oven mitt. I use an oven mitt to hold hot pans. Timer. Timer. I set the timer for 10 minutes. You just learned 50 useful kitchen items in English. That's amazing! Want to learn more words like this? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Keep learning. You're doing great!